Number 15. Wow, what a great piece, worth every penny. It's a great watch, excellent timepiece, more beautiful in person, simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. The watch itself is fantastic, gorgeous dial, brilliant watch, well suited to formal and everyday wear. Number 14. Swiss made mechanical self-winding chronograph, Airboss Mach 9 watch, anti-reflective sapphire crystal watch, 12 hours 30 minutes 60-second chronograph function, Swiss automatic movement, case diameter 45 millimeters, water resistant to 330 feet. Number 13. Delvino Meteor Tab anti-reflective sapphire, display tab analog class, deployment class, case material stainless steel, case diameter 43 millimeters, movement Swiss quartz, water resistant, depth 660 feet. Number 12. Case material stainless steel, case diameter 44 millimeters, case thickness 11 millimeters, band material leather, band length men's standard, band width 21 millimeters, atom weight 3.6 ounces, movement Swiss quartz, water resistant to 330 feet. Number 11. Aluminum material tab anti-reflective sapphire, display tab analog, case material stainless steel, case diameter 45 millimeters, case thickness 14.4 millimeters, band material rubber, atom weight 1.5 pound, movement Swiss quartz, water resistant to 660 feet. Number 10. Ideal for everyday wear, designed to handle dives as well as daily activities, offers comfortable wear on your wrist, analog quartz movement, water resistant, depth 200 meters, military time. Number 9. Analog quartz movement, black rubber strap, buckle clasp, stainless steel bezel and case, sapphire crystal. Number 8. Leather with a fine grain texture, Swiss made watch with a date calendar, analog quartz movement, case diameter 42 millimeters, scratch resistant. Number 7. Swiss made case diameter 45 millimeters, titanium watch, black dial and black rubber strap with black Swiss quartz movement. Water resistant to 200 meters, a certified diving watch. Number 6. Night vision black ice, dark grey dial bracelet black ice, stainless steel with triple coated anti-reflective sapphire crystal, Swiss quartz movement, case diameter 42 millimeter, water resistant to 50 meter, suitable for short periods of recreational swimming. The watch itself is fantastic, gorgeous dial. Number 5. Round watch featuring red enamel topping, white dial with date window, case diameter 43 mm, Swiss pulse movement with analog display, woven nylon band. Number 4. Water resistant depth 200 meters, case diameter 43 mm, military time, date end of life indicator, scratch resistant, triple coated anti-reflective sapphire crystal, skewed on ground, removable black protection bumper, excludes battery life. Number 3. Blue dial enhanced by luminous silver tone hands, silver tone stainless steel case with a brown leather band, quartz movement, water resistant depth 100 meters, unique directional rotating bezel, scratch resistant sapphire crystal, solid case bag, tank claws. Number 2. Black dial enhanced by luminous silver tone hands, silver tone stainless steel case with a silver tone stainless steel band, quartz movement, water resistant depth 100 meters, fixed bezel, scratch resistant sapphire crystal, solid case bag, fold over cloth with push button, case diameter 42 mm, item weight 5.43 ounces. Number 1. Dial vinometer type anti-reflective sapphire crystal, display type analog, case material stainless steel, case diameter 28 mm, band material stainless steel, band color silver, dial color white, movement sweet spots, water resistant depth 100 meters,